Hi, my name's Ross Williams. I'm the Chief Product Officer at Virsae, and I'm here at Enterprise Connect in 2022. Really pleased to be travelling again. Just going to take the opportunity to tell you a little bit about Virsae and Virsae Service Management, our application. So we bring unrivaled insight to work from home or work from anywhere networks. So we partner with XCaaS players, particularly with its remote workers, to provide enhanced visibility of that end user environment, no matter where they are. So typically in a work and home environment, there's all sorts of different routers, ISP performance, noisy environments, competition for bandwidth for those home workers. And we bring visibility to IT teams, management teams, security teams, as to exactly what's going on inside those home environments. So just zooming in a little on our application here, we're demoing a Teams environment. Each one of these is a Teams call, so the call record level. And we can dig down into these calls and check out exactly what's going on in those home environments. A big part of what we do is take the end user feedback and feed that into our application as well. So if someone's marked a call as being a bad experience, for example this one down here, we can dig into that, we can see how many stars they rated that call with, and then into any sort of detailed information they left in terms of end user feedback. So we're calling this closing the end user feedback loop, so they're able to report into IT any issues that they've had. This gets raised as an alarm inside the service desk, and then the IT guys can look into real details of what's going on. So for example, in this call here, it's a call that I actually made from the hotel room in Enterprise Connect, and we can drill down into my experience. So I was talking to the operations manager back in New Zealand, and if we look at my audio experience, you can see I was on a Windows machine with a Jabra Link 370 headset, and we were connected via Wi-Fi. And if I want to look into the performance of those particular areas, I can see exactly what was going on, what my headset, what my workstation type was, what its processor and memory were doing during that call, all of the IP addresses and MAC addresses of the various interfaces. We jump back, we can have a look at the Wi-Fi of the hotel. We can see how that was performing at the time, both from a upload-download speed perspective and a latency. And you can see from that little red explanation mark there, we've flagged up to IT that this particular network that I was connected on is a unsecure network. If we just jump back, we'll have a look at Carl's Jabra Engage. So he was on Jabra Engage 50. We can see when Carl was talking to me, what the transmit and receive audio levels were. And on this logging data down the bottom, we can see when Carl was pushing the mute button, when it's adjusting the volume up and down, and any overtalk that was occurring at the time. So obviously a huge amount of data, and we use our cloud-based application. We collect all this data globally, and then we run machine learning and artificial intelligence across that. And interestingly, we won the award here at Enterprise Connect this year for the most innovative use of AI. And that comes into play, in this area here. So for example, this is a good indication of how machine learning works. So for our SBC, all of the messages that are coming and going on a daily basis, you can see down the bottom left there, there's, for example, in the 400 messages, there's been over 400,000 of those in the last 24 hours. We break them down using machine learning and AI on the right-hand side here, with the dotted lines showing what is the normal expected behaviour. Then that's been predicted on the last 30 days worth of messages, and then anything that steps outside of that sort of normal behaviour, like this example there that's red, that's showing that we're getting more 400 messages than we would normally expect. So simply using machine learning to pick up on those patterns. So we've been in the cloud since day one. So 10, 12 years ago when we started the business, we decided to make that call to go to cloud. And that's been a really good move for us, because it's enabled us to analyse that global data on a global basis across all of our customers. So currently we do about 600 million interactions per month, and all of that data flows in, and we were able to pick up patterns and really apply machine learning and artificial intelligence to that. So to learn more about that, just visit Virsae.com. Our website's got a lot of information in there, case studies, and a little bit about us.